Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited to share this freebie with you today. If you saw my last video, you know I made a free Easter junk journal printable, and today I thought, why not make something that matches it? So here it is. This is the Easter folio that goes perfectly with the journal. This is actually just the first folio, and I have more to share soon, so stay tuned for that. I can't wait to see what you all create with these. So, what's in this little kit? It's super easy to put together. You get 2 printable sheets for the folio, a background page to print on the inside for that finished look. I'll leave the download link in the pinned comment. You can use it on its own or slip it right into your Easter junk journal if you're making one of those. It's really up to you. I printed mine on 230 GSM glossy photo paper because I love how vibrant it looks, but honestly, you can use whatever paper you have on hand. If you like a more vintage feel, maybe try some matte photo paper or even craft paper. The sky's the limit. Once everything was printed, I cut out all the pieces carefully. You can use scissors or a craft knife for neat edges, whatever you prefer. Now, I just folded everything along the lines. It's super easy, but if you want those folds to be extra crisp, using a bone folder is a nice touch. If you don't have one, don't worry, just grab the handle of your scissors and you're good to go. Now, on to adding some special touches. I like to ink the edges to give it a little more depth and make it look more finished. But that's totally optional. You can do whatever you like to make it yours. You could add washi tape, stamps, or even lace if that's your style. And speaking of customizing, feel free to sew along the edges or add extra bits of ephemera inside to really make it pop. The next step is to assemble the pockets. I added glue to the edges, and everything just folded right into place. You can use whatever glue you like, liquid glue, double-sided tape, or even a glue stick. I personally like using double-sided tape because it's quick and easy, but go with whatever works best for you. Now, the fun part: how to use this folio. You could pop it right into your Easter junk journal or use it for something else entirely. I've even used folios like this in Happy Mail, filling them with little bits of ephemera for a friend. And if you want to get creative, you could turn it into a handmade Easter gift. Add some journaling cards, tags, or stickers inside, and it becomes a cute little gift. I hope you love this project as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And don't forget, this is just the first folio in the series, so there's plenty more to come. If you liked this, please follow for more freebies and share this video with your friends. I've got a lot more coming your way. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Sparkling Heart.